Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today is going to be a little different. I received this Wantable Mom Mode box and I've had it for a little while and I need to get into it to check the clothes out. But I am also sick. So I don't think you want to see me on camera, but I do want to share this with you. So it's going to be a little different, but we will hang in there together and we will make it work and it will be wonderful. So this is the Mom Mode limited edition style edit from Wantable. So let's dive in and see what is in here. Okay, so there we go. And again, this is the Mom Mode box. To the side. Let's see, guys. I want to do this so that you can get my honest first impressions. Because that is one thing about my boxes. I'm not going to open any of my boxes ahead of time and do any type of preparing. What you see is my first impressions. And I will say what we're seeing right here on the front, I like. And I actually requested this item on my stream. And again, it's funny because it's a sweater. So I am going to be all set for fall and winter. Although I will say I have been wearing these sweaters because where I am at, it's still a little chilly. And especially when you go in the office, they don't know what the heck temperature is out there. So in the office, it is sweater weather. So I'm going to lay this out and we're going to check it out. Guys, I am loving it. So it is a shorter sweater and it is a, well, it's not as light, but it's not I was doing both. Actually, it is a very light sweater. So it is not a heavy sweater. It is definitely something for spring and early fall. The brand is Z Supply. So I'm liking this, you guys. So got it here. All right, let me put this out here for you guys. Give me one second. Next item is a short sleeve hoodied item. The color looks a little oatmeal, but it's darker. It is short sleeve. It is a zip up with pockets. The brand is 78 and Sunny, and it looks like the price is $59. I'll have to try it on. I mean, I've never had a hoodie short sleeve. First impressions, I don't like it. First impressions, questioning those sleeves. But I just don't know if I'm gonna like a short sleeve hoodie. So let's see what else is in the box. All right, next item here, some type of blue shirt. So let me get this all ready for you guys and we'll see what it is. All right, you guys, so this is just a navy blue shirt. It's not gonna hone in there or zoom in very well, but it's by Brooklyn Isles. It is hand washed with cold water, hang or line dry, and it's 50% rayon, 47% polyester, 3% spandex. Before I saw that hand wash only, I was thinking, even though it's super basic, it's got a very interesting feel, but it's a shirt that, it's one of those that I wouldn't buy on my own, but it probably would be a great addition to my closet. But it's hand wash only? No! What the heck, you guys? Ugh. I don't know what the heck is up with that. So this is definitely going to be a no. Funny, because what do you think it is? I think it's a sweater. And I don't remember requesting this, but it definitely Sure looks like it's my style, doesn't it? Okay, give me 1 second here and I will display it for you. All right, you guys, it is another 78 and Sunny brand. Here we go. Of course, I love it, you guys. It is a lightweight sweater. It says beach. I love the color. I'm getting a lot of sweaters, you guys. But I'll wear them. But I really like this one, you guys. But I am kind of cracking myself up here by the number of sweaters I've been keeping. The sweaters for me, I don't know. What can I say? So I do like this item. Let's see what else is in the box. And again, this is the Mom Edit box. All right, this is a sweater and it is very heavy. So give me 1 second and I'll get it all displayed for you. All right, you guys. Yes, it is another sweater. It is by Gentle Fawn. It is heavier than the other ones, but not by, you know, a whole heck of a lot. I am loving the color. Now, when I first saw this, I'm like, I'm not keeping this. It's another sweater and there's nothing special about it. I mean, I like the color and all. But as I was laying it out, you know, there is some distinction. You know, there's got the, you know, like the out edging. But then I also noticed the sides are cut, you know, but the sleeves are neat. The sleeves, I have a feeling when you put these on, the sleeves are going to be a little blousy, but the sleeves are super cool. Now, is that going to be enough for me to keep another sweater? I don't know, you guys. This is going to have to be one of those things that I absolutely love. Because I mean, yeah, I don't think I can necessarily justify another sweater when I don't love it. So, okay. It's kind of funny. Someone definitely must be looking at my profile because we got another, no, it's a sweatshirt, not a sweater, but a sweatshirt. So I'm going to have to write them and tell them that even though I'm keeping a lot of sweaters, they need to get me out of my comfort zone. You start giving me some other things. Let me lay this out and I'll be right back. All right, guys, it is a sweatshirt. It's by the brand Be Young. And it is super cute. I mean, I do like it. And I'd like to keep it, but it's lightweight sweatshirt. It's a very lightweight sweatshirt, as you can see. I've just, like I said, you know, I've been already keeping a lot of cooler things. Now in the camera, this looks navy blue, but I think it's black. But regardless, I mean, it's very cute. I actually like it, but this is going to be one of those. I've already been spending a lot of money, you guys. This is going to have to look amazing. So let's see what else is in the box. Oh, those definitely look mom-like, don't they? Give me a second. Let me lay these out, you guys. Okay, so we do have a pair of shorts by Thread and Supplies. They're very lightweight. Drawstring. They're definitely mom looking, aren't they? But there is something about these, you guys, that I just have a feeling can be really dressed up cool like. So I'm gonna try them on. I'm curious. This is a maybe. We'll see. All right. Be the last item? No, it is not the last item. So we got some jeans. So let me lay them out and we'll be right back. Okay, these jeans, I think I might have requested these or put that I like them. They are by Absolution. They are the girlfriend jeans. It's interesting because did they put these as mom? You know, I mean, like, are they mom? Because there's this elastic here. I don't know. But they're really cute jeans, you guys. They really, really are. Now, I have not been keeping any of the jeans, even though I need jeans, because I keep thinking, you know, for these prices, Should I hold off and actually like go to the mall or something like that to check out jeans? I mean, whether their price is going to be like. So I'm going to try these on because they're cute. I like girlfriend and boyfriend jeans. But this is going to have to be one I'm going to try on. I'll let you guys know. Because I am liking a lot of things in this box and the price is going to be going up. All right, one more item in the box, you guys. Let's go check it out. All right, let's see. So it's one more item. Looks like it's long. Give me 1 second, I'll lay it out. All right, guys, these are also by Democracy. Yeah, I'm double checking here. Look how cool the bottoms of those pants, the pants are. Super cool. Loving them. They're kind of like olive, but with some grayish and a black. So they're the absolute high-rise utility. I'm liking them. I think, again, it's funny. It's got this like elastic stuff to them. I'm liking them. Give me 1 second. I'm going to flip these over. I want to see what the back looks like. Okay, so the backs of these, it has that running up. So the seam running up the leg. And the back, it's got that. Super cool. I'm loving them. So I'm really, really liking these, you guys. So this is a maybe. But I'm going to go try everything on. I'm going to come back here and tell you what did I keep, what did I like, and what the prices are. So 1 second, you guys. All right, you guys, what I'm about ready to show you are the definite keeps. Sweater, these pants, sweatshirt, this sweater. Now let me explain why these are picked and some of the others aren't picked. So I tried the jeans on. The jeans are great, but they're just regular jeans and I don't need them right now and they were expensive, so I'm not going to get them. Then you'll see here that the scuba shirt, didn't like it, didn't even try it on. Let me just do this. Didn't like it, didn't try it on. These shorts, they look like grandma shorts off. They look like grandma shorts on. So this is a nope, nope, nope. And then the jeans. So those 3 items were a definite no. These 4 items were a definite yes. So that leaves 2 other items in question. All right, the 2 items in question is the sweater that's got a cool looking detail on the sleeve, but it is a basic sweater, but I like the color. But it's $104. Then we also have this fleece short sleeve with the hood. Okay, now I did try both of these on, you guys, and I liked both of them. Surprisingly, the sleeves worked on this. This is super cute, 100% super cute. This is going to be really difficult for me to remember I have it and how to style it. This, I think, is nice to have just a basic color, nice sweater that doesn't have words on it. But again, it's $194. So what do the prices look like for all of these? Okay, you guys, if I keep the 4 items that I like, I will not be getting an additional discount, but I will be getting the $21.40 styling fee off. So that means that for these 4 items, it would be $259 plus tax. All right, what would the price be if I added the fleece? So I'm adding a 5th item, meaning we've now triggered that 20% off. All right, you guys, so I am keeping the 4 items, but I'm adding that short sleeve fleece. So again, triggered 20% off. The price actually goes down for 5 items, you guys. So now we're looking at $242, some change plus tax. Why only keep 4 when keeping 5 in this instance is cheaper? Well, what if I now only want to keep the 4 items and that blue sweater? What are we looking at? All right, guys. So now we're looking at the 4 items, plus that $104 sweater. We've triggered the 20% off additional. So now we are going from only 4 items being $259, adding in the $104 sweater. Now, if I went all the items here, 5 items, we're now at $279 and some change plus tax. It's only $20 extra to get the sweater. All right, so we're looking at the 4 items, the fleece, and the sweater. We're looking at a total of 6 items. So we're still at triggering only 20% off. But now these 6 items would be $326. So what are we going to do here, you guys? Keeping 4 items is $259. If I throw in that sweater, it's only increasing it by $20. But if I don't get that sweater and I throw in the fleece that I may or may not wear because I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to style it, it's actually cheaper. So right now, where I'm going back and forth on is, do I want to pay $279 for 5 items, or do I want to pay $242 for 5 items and get a shirt that I may or may not wear? Or that fleece that I might wear if I can figure out how to wear it for $326 for all of the items. This is a hard one, you guys, for me, because I really want that fleece, because I was surprised how cool it looked. But again, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to style it correctly. I would love if I could style it correctly. I am not sure if I can. So what was my final decision? All right, you guys, my final decision was keeping the utility pants, the blue sweatshirt, the American flag sweater, the blue sweater, and the beach sweater. So I chose the $279 change plus tax for what I'm going to keep. So even though I liked that fleece, I'm not sure if I would wear it, and I'm not sure how I would style it. So it is worth it to me to pay an extra $37 to get that sweater that's only $104, or that is originally $104. So somebody's gonna be checking my math. Feel free to do that. My head is very quite stuffy. My throat doesn't feel the best, and it's math, and sometimes math can be hard. So I very well might have done some incorrect math, but where I'm standing is I will be paying $279, some change plus tax to get these 5 items. That is it for today, you guys. Hope everything is going well with wherever you are. You're having a good week. And thank you for joining, and thank you for sticking around for this unique Wantable video. And again, today's edit was the Mom Mode theme box. In my personal opinion, right now, I do not know why they are doing theme boxes, because from what I am seeing, if you have a theme box, they are going off, look how I did my math. They are going off what you request. So they're not going off a theme, they're going off what you request. So I have a theme. That's my only complaint right now with Wantable, is if you're going to do themes, you need to be careful how you use the requested items list. Because right now, this is not a theme box, in my opinion. This is a style edit that was customized for me. So, just FYI. So, thank you everyone for sticking around. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and everyone take care. Bye-bye, everyone.